The work, when people first enter into the gallery, is called Rose for Direct Democracy, Carl Scrase after Joseph Beuys, and it's a remake of a work that Joseph Beuys made in 1973. Joseph Beuys is obviously a big influence for everything I do in my greater life, with me running for Mayor of Melbourne and being a big fan of the direct democracy process. These are things and areas that Joseph Beuys already has explored before me without me even knowing. So that work, Rose for Direct Democracy, where he put a rose inside a scientific beaker, just seemed to surmise everything that I've been through in the last kind of big 6 months. The empathy virus, it's 4 interviews that I conducted over at Symbiotica, 4 of the conversations that stood out with me with different people, the scientists, the artists, and even the administration assistants. This work, I had conversations with 4 people. So there's Michelle Trainer, who's a Western Australian theatre maker, and she was the administration assistant while I was at Symbiotica, and she was directing a Greek tragedy at the time, and as you can hear in the video, she thinks she has high empathy levels. The middle 2 people are Oren Katz and Einat Zer, the 2 people that started Symbiotica, and the end is the main scientist that I worked with, Caitlin Wyrol. She's one of the main scientists that I was working with at Symbiotica. She's basically using viruses to knock out certain parts of DNA in the placenta, and then looking at later life development in mice particularly. So yeah, this will be a collaboration that goes on in the future, and that I'll continue to map through the empathy virus.